Hi everyone, welcome to part 1 of DeliverySuite tutorial. In this video, we will dive deep into the process of logging into the system and scheduling a basic shipment. The intent of the video is to introduce the user to the bare basics of the program. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigate to the DeliverySuite page. Ask the dispatcher for direct link if needed. Once you're on the appropriate website, locate and select the Client option. For now, we can ignore other selection types. Enter your login credentials, your username and password. Make sure to use the login information provided to you. Once all is ready, simply tap on the Login button. After successfully logging in, the DeliverySuite program will open up. On the left-hand side of the interface, you will find the panel with different options to choose from. This menu offers a wide array of options to help you manage your company. For now, we will focus just on New Load menu. Let's stop here for a moment. Before we begin, you can divide the creation of a load into 5 easy steps: selecting customer and service level, picking desired date and time of delivery, picking the desired pickup and drop-off location, selecting type of parcel to ship, and reviewing and processing the shipment. And so on our test system, I will pick up service class first. Mind that customers should be pre-filled for you, so for the first step, I just need to specify the level of the service. The second step would be selecting pickup time. Delivery time would be automatically adjusted based on the previously selected service class. Simply select Planned Ship Date window drop-down list and select date and time desired. Then we need to choose a pickup and drop-off address. Let's start with the pickup first. Simply give a name to your location. I named it Base for simplicity. Next, we would select Street 1, where we need to provide at least the street name and number of the pickup location. Once placed, you will see a pop-up window advising you the address and validating it at the same time. Once the address is validated and auto-filled, we can move to the destination address. Repeat the steps, giving new name and address. If you choose to, now is also a good moment to put any notes or specify requests for signatures or images of your shipment. Contact your dispatcher if you have any questions. Finally, we need to pick the weight and the dimensions of the shipment we intend to send out. On the right side of the screen, simply click on the plus button to add a new package. Note the quantity checkbox, allowing you to specify whether you would like to send one or many packages. Pick your type, weight, and measurements of a shipment. If the line weight is checked, and if quantity is more than one, the program will apply the weight value to the individual item instead of to an entire shipment. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. And this is mostly it. Double-check all your work, make sure addresses are correct, make sure your service is what you need it to be, double-check the weight and the final estimated price. Once all is verified, from the top menu, select one of the 4 options. Save and Print will save the shipment, and Print Away Bill. Save and New will let you keep adding new loads. Save and Close will do what it says it would, and Save will simply save you work. To sum things up, the program for the most part will guide you from left to right in booking your shipments. We have covered only the most crucial steps needed to plan a delivery. We strongly encourage you to explore on your own, and if you have any questions or have any feedback, please let us know. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again on the next one.